Hello everyone! Here, we present a new tutorial for the brand new AI board from System Electronics. Astrial, from factory automation to building control systems, surveillance, and even energy management. RS-485 plays a crucial role in connecting devices reliably. If you're working on a project that requires stable, long-distance communication between multiple devices, understanding RS-485 could be the perfect solution. Let's dive into its real-world applications and see how you can incorporate it into your own projects. Here's what you will need for this tutorial. One Waveshare CM4ETH RS-485 Base B board. One Astrial board. One R481B16 relay board. One 12-volt power supply. 8 to 16 LEDs. And optionally a USB to RS-485 adapter. Now let's move on to the hardware setup. Connect the relay board to the second 485 interface of the baseboard. Specifically, the B1 and A1 plus terminals are connected to the B- and A plus terminals of the relay board. Don't forget to power the relay board with the 12-volt power supply. Finally, connect the LEDs to the normally open and common ports of the relays. You can power the LEDs using any 5-volt power supply. Here, we are using the fan header pins. Follow the schematic closely to ensure you don't miss any connection. With the hardware in place, let's move on to the software part. Use the SCP command to transfer the R421B16 folder to your Astrial. Make sure to use the correct IP address of your device. Now, let's connect to the Astrial via SSH. Next, install the required Python packages. We will need PySerial for serial communication. You can install it by running pip3 install PySerial. With everything set up, navigate to the examples directory and run the Getting Started script to toggle the relays. You will hear the relays clicking on and off as the script runs. For a more visual example, we can control some LEDs. Run the LEDs example script. You will see the LEDs lighting up in sequence, controlled by the relays. If you are interested in sending and receiving data between the 485 interface and your host machine, you can use the USB to RS-485 adapter. For this, we have prepared two scripts, one for reading and one for sending data. Transfer the send data script to the Astrial. Run the read data script on the host machine. Make sure to specify the correct device, usually is named USB 0. In another terminal window, connect to the Astrial via SSH and run the send data script. On your host machine, you should see the data being received.